Withdrawal is now open on Tapswap. So if you come to your drop section, you discover that you can now withdraw to Bitget exchange. And yesterday we talked about how to actually copy your wallet address in a last video on Tapswap. So here you're going to click here. Then if you already have an account, which I believe you have, so you're going to go to your Bitget account to copy your address, then your UID. You get the point. So let's go to Bitget account. So here's our Bitget account. So you copy your address, you come here, add fund. So after clicking on add funds, from here you are going to select deposits to crypto. Then from here at the top corner, you're going to search for Tapswap or Taps. Just type Taps. They're going to see the Tapswap logo. You click. Then here you pay attention to this. So this is your address. Then make sure the network is Binance Smart Chain. Get the point. So we're going to copy. Then we go back. Here we paste the address. Then now we copy our UID. So for you to copy your UID, so you're going to go to the front page. Then on your front page, here at the top, so you're going to click that section. Then here you see your UID. Just tap. Then you come here. You paste your UID. Then you click on I understand. So before you click on continue, make sure you copy the right thing. Then you click on what? Continue. You get the point. Then you confirm. And before you confirm, you come here. You check. See the UID. Then Binance Smart Contract, the one I told you earlier. So then you click on what? Confirm. You get the point. So as quick and easy. So if you are here to start farming testnet projects, a lot of people are making $10,000, $1,000 in testnet projects. So if you are here to start taking testnet projects seriously, please check the link in the description of this video. You're going to see the list of testnet projects we're actually doing in Digitest. See you at the top.